Station space yari ugithiko report ka undu na maita maige muno ndathia ku report ka undu positive well there are some niches and some simps mathia gani nimekuja kuambia vile mnafanya kazi mzuri.
Those are exceptional cases.
Never mind. Watu walivotite ori nikaraga tamaritu for one reason or
the other.
Yes. Nuke ifuku rikoro hari ogureta gwatia
occurrence book,
the OB
neo twitaga OB.
Yes. And I think most stations are either in the process or they already digitized.
Ni ndaiguite kwina mutaratara wa ku digitize the occurrence book.
Yes. Itore mwe no andikagirwo ka undu muthenya ungi ukaga tiriho
gaka gapage wekago.
Yes. So when they digitize, I think it's a system that triggers another system. So there's a retrieving
na dingikiura
there's a route you can retrieve
na no eke access from another location.
Absolutely. Itaro munene wa buriya kimefatarari full access. Yes.
Ine
leu twe chukuru ule occurrence book yetagwo black book.
Black book.
Yes. The black book don't want to for one reason or the other matter the kori. Ne ifuku ria korwo kwa head. Dia grievous crime.
Serious crimes unit.
Yes. Ni kwa document siga nona sia o capture crimes. Ni kwa na it was small claims. Really small claims here is for the example of the prefect's book of noise
makers.
Yes. Those were small claims.
Those are petty crimes.
And the petty offenders. Yes. No, they black book. They would the capital
offenses.
Yes.
Mahetia marito.
Yes. No get the house.
Black book ine.
Yes. We get your house. It was similar na kwa yo irore kwa DCI.
Eko una kwa yo irore.
Vio. No, you have a criminal record. Depending on the grievousness of your gross misconduct, nyogi akini hado ginyotuke murutageka good conduct.
Actually, it was a very serious thing.
Yes.
Kuigira black book ine.
Yes.
To have 3 chances.
Yes.
Working yare ya gatatu. You are expelled.
Expelled. With no apology. Nyokwa kana thogu akero mwethere
thukuru wiki. We cannot have him here.
No, he's a hazard. Or she. It was even more embarrassing for a girl. Yes. Yes. Of course, girls, most of their mistakes were tethered to clandestine affairs.
Crimes related to emotions and
crimes of passion.
Unlike boys.
Yes, who were literally gangsters. Yes. If kuru no waigiraga na muno negetha oigire black book ri niria twana na kindu gitagwo suspension.
Sana ihitiria gutuma wikirwo black book ine no wamba gukanyuthwo suspect wiki ta igiri
na wegatirwo suspension ri ona irugongo ri nyuko ndabatara ku explain tondu orogi haya kai gathaia guku
ye guku
ne kia kete au atiriri murie okamanyo TV
waigua murie
you know you are harboring a criminal
kana hiyo na mahetia maria wikite ri maituguo ndangihota kumatamuka na kanua.
Yes. Ona ni anaconoka niko imagine at in their line no haumire generation yeke kata
ngeka gikota kiu temoria.
You see, for fees they would say ne feed tu hine thina kido no atiriri muthoni ne kiareka huko no moria nya tiwi oyo
Murie no ko we ni agukuigua.
Ndwire tata guo nawe.
No tige kuina mahau ukindite. No urakindira.
Uri urekire wega thukuru ni kuhituka. Ona andu a Njombe matirakuona. Maxi.
Nyoko eno.
Ile tiwe muthaka biũ Mrs Africa. We niwe Kamarisa wanaume. That was the first entry. Okay, your suspension. Yetiari othe rafatara ogire muhiriga. Ndia yake
Black Book
in the Black Book. Yes. Handu ero oke now.
Oke na muciari. Ugicoka ndugoke wi wiki. Be accompanied.
Nitha kaundu aka ka recordwo. Nyoke ura wona matumbe ki.
Matumbe mayo.
Entry number 2. How do you know what Magario Mahoya aciari? Yanamato Managa Manosia Tigiti riri. G.
Rimwe tu. Riu wentre yake riri. Ona muciari ni ambagia utuika concern.
Yes. They would actually wonder what kind of mercenary is this? Yes. And some mercenaries, very daring thugs, villains in the school would do a very, kyodo very daunting. Magatua wafisi. Magadi magatarura katathi kare me Black Book.
The daredevils.
Yes. They would tamper with
evidence and files.
State records.
Agakonya page.
Na niyo ukonya page imwe. Waruta andu tata?
Tatano.
Wagwa CRB wauma na igana.
Wauma na andu king'ori.
No. Todo ibuku riu ritiakorwo any form of backup ri. It was your word against their memory.
Wakonya page ni uguo.
Yes. No gia na muciari nake urarugama na wauga atiri. Asa mwarimu tuonie.
Black Book ile ti weno.
Ile ti weno. Tuagurie page ciothe. He handu wona kirisi pini magogo. He handu wona Nikolasi mwesirigiri.
Ugakihonoka
girande siwaire mari he handu mwarimu mwandikite
mwarimu akaguria ringi but she was here. I remember
Mr. Keigo. Ule kijana, what was the mistake?
Kijana mgani?
Nasema ule alingoa mwalimu meno.
Mbona iko hapa? And you see, an entry in the Black Book would also be captured in the very important document yet called the school leaving
certificate.
Yes. Ukandikirwa the learner was below average in
character. Criminal.
And you know, there are some cultured farms that will not employ you because of such normally.
Kure magorora nginya record iyo ya school living certificate.
Yes.
Man, agikorwo thukuru wahana goguo ri.
Yes.
What about later in life?
If you are innocent years were like this. Ere wa menya thi.
No amenya collapse on.
Yes. What you get shokire we Black Book ne? O shokio ma death.
Yours was even worse.
You see we Black Book we get shokire we o tuke best improved 2 times in a row. Okay, orige ka be mine. It would overlook. Yes. No he okay do to parole. Hale haka igwoke.
Haka igworido.
No we hale Black Book we na entry igire. Ucoke urige thi haria wena theci ithatu na nda ya kuondoa
ngiyorona no kururitie mini ucoketie mini na thi
the minisco
no ukiri andu wega batari mekora in the black book.
Yes.
Ni ukira andu mari na very clean records.
Yes. And some we are just lucky.
Na lucky ni waingi.
No some are just lucky. Na mama ku iro mithara fani ari angi. To kwe mundu waru amana ki. Na ngori. Yes.
Ihitia ta gubanga mugomo.
Niki we orauga. Kana guthraite ni Anson. Ucina thukuru.
No, that was actually ona ucio ni ungiatumire nginya suspend with the without notice.
Yes. Or manhandling a teacher.
Ukarugamana na
ukahura mwarimu. Anetore kwi mwana cia thoma cie nguru nena mwiri wow generation ya memiri ni atukutanagia mwarimu no wako na ke mwarimu ni wa celeraki
ya na 47.